Hello, 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 kindred family. It's me. My name is Cassandra Lee. Hi kindred fam, welcome. So this is a hair review on Elia hair. I have the 180 density. It's in the color 4/30, and this is in 30 inches. So this is how the hair is laying on me. The curls dropped a bit, so this is like longer than this side, but they are the same length. That's how it looks. Down. This is where it's falling. Yeah, so I bought the hair back in January, on January 15th, and I received it on the 30th. So it took about 2 weeks to get to me. I'm assuming it's because they had to dye the hair and things like that. Customer service was in contact with me a bit of the time, so that was really nice. For what I got, the color, the length, the density, the price came out to $227.81 with tax and everything. So it's got clips throughout the entirety of the wig. It is a T-part wig, and I'll take it off and show you what that looks like. And it also has a bra elastic band. And what I mean by that, it looks like a bra strap. Super soft. I did not put any product in the hair, so the curls are falling. I don't know how they will handle if I put a little bit of product so that way it can hold a curl. I'm not sure. It shedded minimally. It shedded minimally when I washed the hair. It still sheds minimally when I run my fingers through the hair. Ends are nice and healthy all the way to the end. As I have it shifted a little bit to the side opposed to having just a regular middle part. I did not pluck the hair. It said it's pre-plucked. It says it's 100% Brazilian body wave, human hair, pre-plucked, transparent for black women. That's what it says. So I think this is a regular lace, Swiss lace. I'm not sure. It's not pre-plucked, not at all. No. It's like a Barbie doll hair hairline, you know what I mean? Not pre-plucked, and I'm not gonna pluck it. And this is what they're advertising the hair to look like. Okay, so these are the specs. This is Elia hair. When I received the hair, it did come in a cute little bag like this, in a FedEx bag, and inside that bag was the hair and also 2 sets of lashes. This is what they look like. They're the exact same, but I'm wearing one of them right now. So this is what the lashes are looking like. This is what it is from this side, and this is how it looks in the packaging. And I think that says L28. It does. So I guess if they have this on their website, this is going to be the L28. They're cute. This is how everything came. Cute little bag. And yeah. Alright guys, thank you. If you enjoyed this review, let me know in the comments below. Share it with a friend if you feel like they want to buy a wig that's affordable. This is a pretty good vendor. And if they don't mind like the tea lace or anything like that, this is going to be like a nice wig to play with. Like the video, let me know that you guys are enjoying the content, and also hit the notification bell if you're interested in knowing every time when I upload a new video. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go to the park with my baby, and I'll I'll see you guys later. Stay radiant, stay prosperous, stay glorious, and stay empowered. See you.